Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is a high tide Monday in Brookings, Oregon, right here at the Pacific Ocean. I am still celebrating the 49ers victory over the Detroit Lions yesterday, 34-31. 27 points for the Niners in the second half. And it was an amazing turnaround for them. Well, I call this a Roll Tide Monday. For those of you who don't know what Roll Tide means, it's referring to the University of Alabama. Roll Tide, everybody, Roll Tide. Have a beautiful day, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are, near or far. This is Eric Smelser reporting.